My people, Dancehall skilla there again. Big up, respect, manners to each and every one. I have some information to give to you, my viewers and subscribers. But before I give you those information, I have a video that I'm going to present to you. Now, in the video that I'm about to present to you, a female said some things that gave me the understanding that she talked about the Prime Minister, who goes by the name of Andrew Holness, and she also said other things as well in the video. Now, the video is being talked about on social media because of some things that the female said in the video. And I want you to listen carefully to the things that the female said in this video, and you can also let me know what I think. You can also tell me if you agree or if you disagree with some of the things that the female said in this video. And I want you to please bear in mind that some of the words that the female used in this video might not be appropriate for each and every one. So viewer discretion is advised. Observe and tell me what you think.
People on TikTok, let me tell you something. I don't want to just see the video and I like it and that's it. Any old video if go viral for dirty Andrew Holness see it, more want to send it out. You hear? Because I'm tired of him saying my Prime Minister. Right now I want to style him like how a boy did style him. I make them send police to me. You don't believe me? Him and the one dirty Leon Thomas, green arm, dirty. The last time I seen some bait pan if you don't know Cabros can take it and yam them off and yam out in face, make him dead. Leon Thomas and the two inspector from Central Village Police Station. The one with the ball patch in the head when we want somebody throw some acid in and burn out in marrow. Andrew Holness, you don't know where you find now. Because you don't go for no colleague and the richer. And you don't help poor people like you want people go suffer and come on the gate come beg. I don't want to send people go pick up gun and go thief. A time for no tap on no save by the left Jamaica. Who don't take bad and hold them for go. People tired of who know. Some don't want nobody to come here and like the video and send you out viral, make it go and make them see it because I'm tired of them. They don't make me go pick up gun right now. I only girl right now in a big lane and that send go pick up gun. We kill them off because I like them. Not the name police, politician, nothing. I'm tired of who know. Blood clot. Tomorrow a Monday, so I don't want to tell me say no. Me go already see that I sell on go $1,000. $1,000. My daughter for go to school tomorrow, my two could be able to go to school, lunch money, pay my daughter for get lunch money. So when I tell me something, sit down yourself. And then enough for go. And then you Andrew Holness say school feel them right through. No business about nobody when I offer them one school. So then be sit down here when they not go to school now, you send police come take them and put them at home for your police friend, them go molest them. And work at home. I'm tired of no sick me to go
You know, my people, me understand some things that the female are saying in the video, you know, but you know, me is the kind of person, I will always try to give the best advice. So me I say, and I would not encourage anyone to do anything that can get themselves in trouble with the law. See me? But me understand the things that she say, and you know, it really and truly is sad to hear some of the things that she talk about. You see me? Because a lot of people in the country of Jamaica go through some rough situations, you know. See? And the economy set away where you have some people can't find work and all different kind of things. So me I say my people, so it's just sad. But don't put yourself in trouble with the law at all. You understand? Yeah, so each and every one have a right to their own opinions and point of views, viewers and subscribers. See? And you know, when someone says certain things, some of the times me rather listen than to say anything at all. I just saw me stay. And sometimes me will give my opinions to, you know, as some look on life. So me I say, but you, my viewers and subscribers, can let me know what I think still. You can tell me if you agree or if you disagree with the things that the female said in the video, right? I'm going to move on to another topic. And believe me, these information that I'm about to give to you are about some sad situations. As I say. Now, everything that I'm about to say to you are based on news articles that I read. They might not be accurate and they might not be true, but it's up to you if you believe or if you do not believe. Now, I got information that on the 4th of October the year 2022, the Home Circuit Court heard that DNA on a toothbrush that belongs to the missing female who goes by the name of Donnelly Donaldson matches forensic evidence found inside the apartment that belongs to her boyfriend who goes by the name of Noel Maitland. Now, for those who been following this whole situation, saying Noel Maitland had been taken into police custody after certain investigation happened because the female who goes by the name of Donnelly Donaldson had been reported missing, and it is said that Donnelly Donaldson was last seen at Constable Maitland's apartment or home, or however some persons might want to say. You see me? And it is said that she was reported missing because she was not seen from a certain time. You understand me, viewers and subscribers? So it is said that police had indicated or suggested that investigations concluded that Donaldson was killed. You see me, as a viewers and subscribers? Yeah, so it is said that the police them suggest or them indicate that that might have happened to her. But anyways, my people, see, so you listen now. Listen to the information that we get based on news articles that we read and so. So it is said that the prosecution indicated that blood stains was found on curtains and on a pair of sneakers inside of Maitland's apartment. See, and it is said that the court also heard that Donaldson's mother handed over the toothbrush to investigators and forensic analysis was conducted against bloodstains collected inside of Noel Maitland's apartment. So it is said that Noel Maitland, who was charged with murder, also got an additional charge, viewers and subscribers. See? Yeah, it is said that he got an additional charge of preventing the lawful burial of a corpse. And I get information that a bail application is expected to be heard from Noel Maitland's attorney or lawyer, as also some people might say. Yes, what I say? So my people, I just give the info as well I get the info. I also read a news article that gave me the understanding that quite a number of allegations had been made about Noel Maitland while he was in court. Yeah, me get the understanding that allegations had been made from prosecutors towards Noel Maitland about one coach and about him making some form of a contractual agreement with a truck driver and about him being caught on surveillance video footage, viewers and subscribers and certain things. As I say, no, listen, we just have to read parts of this news article to you so that you can get a good understanding about the situation. So I say, come and now read out everything and it's up to you if you want to believe or if you do not believe. And please bear in mind that I might not read word for word from the news article to you, my viewers and subscribers. No, I might not read word to word from the news article to you, my viewers and subscribers. And the female image that you're seeing in this video right about now is the female who goes by the name of Donnelly Donaldson, and she had been reported missing. And sometime after she had been reported missing or went missing, investigation had been done and Noel Maitland had been taken into police custody. And Noel Maitland got more than one charges, and the whole matter is before the court, viewers and subscribers. He had been accused and is suspected that him have something to do with the disappearance of the missing female who goes by the name of Donnelly Donaldson. And the edited picture that you're looking at in this video right about now shows the missing female who goes by the name of Donnelly Donaldson. Yeah? Alright. So a part of the news article said that prosecutors told a presiding judge that on the afternoon of July 13, Maitland allegedly went to a hardware store along Constant Spring Road. While at the store, prosecutors alleged that he entered into a contractual agreement with a truck driver to transport a coach from his New Kingston apartment to Half Tree. Listen now, my people, listen carefully. See it? So it is said that the truck driver reportedly drove behind Maitland to his apartment complex, and then the prosecutors told the court that upon arrival at the complex, the truck driver observed the accused policeman and another man entering an apartment unit on the second floor of the complex. See, and it is said that they emerged from the apartment with what has been described as a red or brown coach. You my people, so this is from a news article right there, so my people, see? From a certain part of this whole situation, me keep on hear about a certain color coach, viewers and subscribers, see? But listen up now, people, because there is more things that have been said in the same news article. I'm just try to run through it as fast as I can to make you have a good understanding. Because I never did it. See? So, another part of the news article said that the accused then allegedly led the truck driver to a car wash along Linders Road. On arrival at the car wash, prosecutors alleged that the accused policeman got out of his car and the two others followed. The two others followed. I don't know what that means. The people, it's up to you if you want to believe or if you don't believe. Yes, what I say, because these things might be accurate and it might not also be accurate. You understand? So another part of the article said that the movement of the accused and the two other men was reportedly captured on CCTV cameras at multiple locations. Prosecutors allege that on the evening of July 13 at about 7 p.m., the accused policeman placed a phone call to a resident in the New Kingston area. The news article said that the prosecutors told the court Maitland allegedly told the resident he had concerns that the cameras owned by the resident may have recorded him walking by with a spliff. So the same news article said that the prosecution is alleging Maitland told the resident he was concerned the footage may jeopardize his prospects for an impending promotion. The prosecution told the court Maitland allegedly told the resident he wanted the footage deleted. The resident reportedly refused to comply. So you hear all of them things that my people say. The same news article also said that on July 14, prosecutors are alleging Maitland reportedly went to another resident's apartment and explained that someone who was allegedly with him and gone missing. See, the same news article also said that he allegedly asked the resident to see the footage of July 12. The prosecution alleges that Maitland was reportedly shown parts of the recording, and the news article also said that prosecution told the court that Maitland allegedly expressed a desire to see the footage deleted. You hear them things that these are all allegations, viewers and subscribers, you understand? And more things have been said in this news article that I'm looking at right now, because I read more than one news articles about this whole situation. You see me, some people? Another part of the news article said that the court was told by prosecutors that upon viewing of the footage, Maitland was allegedly seen arriving at the apartment complex with a young lady described as having long hair. The prosecutors allege Maitland was then seen leaving the complex unaccompanied. You see me as a viewer and subscribers? See it? I'm just get the last part of the article here, see it? Because last part it said that the prosecution is alleging Maitland called the resident who owned the CCTV footage twice on the 15th of July and 3 times on the 16th of July. It is being alleged that the accused policeman expressed concern that the police may want to see the footage, and that the resident who owns the CCTV cameras allegedly told police investigators he felt pressured. You hear them things, my people? These are all allegations, no viewers and subscribers. See? All allegations for now. See? Now, my people, on another topic now, see? When it comes on to this whole situation where it is said that a schoolgirl stabbed and killed a schoolgirl, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, I got information that she had been charged, viewers and subscribers. See? Yeah, so it is said that the student of the Kingston Technical High School who was involved in the fatal stabbing of her schoolmate now facing a murder charge, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, it is said that she has faced a murder charge. You understand? So it is said that the female student was charged with the stabbing death of the female student who goes by the last name of Campbell. during a fight between her and the female student who died at the Kingston Technical High School. Yeah, it is said that the incident happened on the compound of the school, viewers and subscribers. And it is said that police sources said that the teen was charged after a long question and answer session. Yeah, my people. So, you know, me just give you the info them as me get them. Yeah, so me I left it now. Big up and respect to each and every one. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.